Listen, it is my honor and privilege to introduce our presenter for tonight, folks. This gentleman here, I tell you what, he's a do-it-first leader, but a little bit about him. He operates one of the most successful tax businesses in the U.S. He brings 25 years of business experience in accounting, taxes, and financial services. Now, he's also an enrolled agent for the Internal Revenue Service, one of only a handful of accountants who qualify to be an enrolled agent for the Internal Revenue Service. He's not just a service provider for MWR Financial, but he's also building a huge business. Now, he is a member of the MWR Financial Leadership Council. He has achieved the rank of district manager. He's a presidential club member, and he's the first to reach $150 a day guaranteed. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, help me welcome to the call, Mr. Terrence Hawkins. Are you there, sir?
I'm here, Mr. Parker. Can you hear me clearly, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, guys, I want to thank each and every one of you for just taking this time out to find a little bit more about our company. As I am excited to be working with you as I work with Gerald. Mr. Parker, I've known him for some years now. He is just a jewel to work with. He has helped many individuals. And he really loves to do that, as Mr. Ashley Wilson actually mentioned before. So I'm thrilled to be able to actually talk to you also as well about this great company, MWR Financial. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay. MWR Financial, we're going to go over a couple of things. We're going to go over the actual mission of the company. I'm going over some of the problems that's what's going on out there, and then the solutions that we have. But we want the individuals to know that we are the home of the instant pay raise and guaranteed income. Now, the mission of MWR Financial, guys, is to provide families with the same experts and strategies, which is key, that's used by the wealthy to overcome the financial challenges that's created by our tax, our credit, our banking, and our educational systems. Now, why do we want to do that, guys? Because of these simple facts here, okay? That 78% of Americans currently are living paycheck to paycheck. I tell individuals that we're supposed to be the richest country in the world, but we still have individuals living paycheck to paycheck. Yes, the numbers are looking better. The unemployment rate is down significantly, but we yet have 78% of the individuals that are living paycheck to paycheck. So something is going on wrong with that. And then 70% of Americans also pay too much money in taxes. And that became my passion there because Mr. Parker told you, I've been doing taxes for a while. I started when I was age 15. I'm 47 now. And we see it every single day, every single year. But then 80% of Americans have credit challenges. And then 90% of Americans are buried in debt. And as a result of that, 70% have less than $5,000 saved at age 65. See, here at MWR Financial, we want people to really put this hashtag out there that this stops today because we have a system. But before we understand how to stop this, we really need to understand how we got here. Okay, just how we got here. A long time ago, I know myself, I started with my parents' plan and my grandparents' plan. That system was to get a good education so that I could really get a good job. And I did those things. I studied hard, got my college degree, did all that so I can have a good job. But then I realized that a third of that income is going from that good job is going towards taxes. A third of my money is going towards taxes. Now, if individuals are living paycheck to paycheck, guys, and a third of our money is going towards taxes, there becomes a little thing when we are faced with inflation. Products and services are going up, but our paychecks are staying the same and taxes are going out. That's why many individuals had to start living off of credit. They use the credit to make up the difference or to finance the lifestyle that they want. Now, there was a time in the day that we used to say that people use credit just to keep up with the Joneses. But now people are just using credit just to actually buy their meals, use credit just to get gas to go into the car, just to get work. They're using credit just for their lifestyle, just that they want to work. But then that led to the next thing, a third of our income then started going towards debts because we had to finance things by using the credit. But then we were able to had to use the remaining third of our income to cover just normal living expenses. Nothing huge, nothing big, but just normal living expense. And then we were told to try to save or invest enough for retirement. Guys, this is why Forbes had already said that the greatest retirement crisis in American history is happening now. Money Q&A has said that why are professional athletes going broke and why you are too. Market Watch said that most Americans are one paycheck away from the street. Not a paycheck away from another paycheck or getting debt problems, but from the street. NASDAQ said that more than half of Americans will retire broke. Guys, MWR has a better system, and that's the good news. And let's get into it, because it all starts with our instant pay raise strategy. Now, this strategy is our proven strategy to increase the take-home pay of over 150 million W-2 employees, starting with their very next paycheck. You see, we have to help individuals where they are immediately. And if they are living paycheck to paycheck, I think we need to start there. Now, how does this work, guys? It works by two different things. See, our experts will help individuals to, number one, to understand the concept of stop overpaying their taxes and letting the government use their money all year long, and they're using it interest-free. We have to stop that. Number two, to use the home-based business tax laws to increase your deductions so that you can pay less and keep more. You see, it's not just how much you make. It's really how much you keep that counts. Now, guys, what happens is this. Individuals that basically are getting their taxes coming out of their paycheck. Somebody's on the mod, I believe. Individuals that basically are getting their taxes that's coming out of their paycheck, okay, and it's sent to the government authorities on our behalf. And then in between January and April, we should do what? Fill out our tax return. That's what you actually see there. Fill out our tax return, and then basically do what? We look for a refund. That's what we have been taught. We look for a refund here all the time. Now, we want to educate individuals to keep reading that line 75, because people stop at refund without keep going down to the end of it that says this is the amount that you overpaid. See, that's why we say we got to stop overpaying the IRS by understanding what that line really is. We don't want to have these huge refunds. We don't want to, but we don't want to have these huge refunds. Why? Because we are giving Uncle Sam a free loan, interest loan. You wouldn't give anybody else a free loan, so we're not going to start by giving the IRS a free loan. You see, this kind of works just like you'll go shopping. You know, everybody's looking forward to going shopping the day after Thanksgiving. You know, that's Black Friday. We decided about going and getting some deals and getting some specials, things of that nature. I guarantee you, when individuals get home, and if they paid $50 additional for an item, didn't get that special, didn't get that sale, they're going to run right back to the store because they want their $50 in this example. Now, some of them are going to be doing while they're going to be on somebody's video camera as well, right? But they're going to absolutely want their $50. Instead of looking at that, guys, they're not going to wait till the next Black Friday to get that $50, are they? So I ask individuals, why are we doing that with the IRS? See, the IRS told us that 70% in 2017 got a refund, 70%. They said the average refund was over $2,818. That's an average of $200 a month that we overpaid the IRS, not a refund, we overpaid. So if we're going to go and get our money back from the stores immediately, why would we wait a whole year to get our $200 back per month in this example? We have to stop overpaying the IRS. That's our step one of our whole instant pay rate strategy. Stop overpaying the IRS, get your money. But the step two is very important, because we need to learn how to use the tax laws to pay less. We can't get mad at all the tax laws, what's going on, if it's good, if it's bad, how they rolled it out. We can't determine that, but what we can say is, regardless of what's out there, we're going to use it. You see, the IRS tax code publication 535 basically said if you have the intent to generate a profit, if you actively participate, and you kept good records, you can take some of the expenses that you have, as long as they are ordinary and necessary for that business. You can even turn your personal expenses into business expenses. And you don't have to know all of them. You can just know a couple of them. So all this is about taking the current things that you're currently doing, using the tax laws for your benefit, and turn those into business deductions. All of us are driving, so we got mileage deductions. We're taking trips, whether it's to the beach, whether it's to the mountains, or just a weekend getaway. We're eating out every single week. We have our cell phones. All of us is on some type of form of data or internet now. Medical insurance we're paying, expenses. And the most big one, those that have kids, you're spending a lot on your kids. It's trying to hire them and have it as a business deduction. Now, we just don't tell individuals this. We actually prove it to them first. You see, we have a site here, myinstantpayraise.com. Individuals can go to that site. Please wait till the end of the webinar. Don't go now. All right? Pay attention to me first, that is, right? But people can key in those 7 key deductions that I just went over of their numbers. They can key in their number of miles. Everybody drives different miles. Everybody's cell phone is different in cost, right? You can put in their expenses, and they can get a good estimate of the money that they can save per month. Now, the national average of this is $300 to $600 a month in tax savings, in literal tax savings, just with these 7. Remember, there's over hundreds of them, okay? So this is our instant pay raise strategy here, is to help individuals with step 1. Notice you said an average of $200 from people just not getting refunds can come back on their paycheck. And then step 2, to use the tax laws on their behalf with another $300 to $600. That's an average of $500 there with what I just mentioned to you that can come back on individuals' paycheck. When? Now. But there's more. You see, the instant pay raise also includes MWR's Financial Edge membership. Now, this is a powerful, powerful membership. This membership gives individuals a personal team of financial experts that use proven strategies to secure you and your family's financial future. Everything that you need is all in this membership when we talk about finances. Let's go over these 4 core services that's in this membership. The first one is Money Max. Now, Money Max is our unlimited financial advice on demand. Unlimited financial advice on demand. And you're going to get the advice from qualified experts, not your cousin, not the church member, not the co-workers. No, the experts, individuals that normally charge $200 to $300 per hour to talk to them. These are your CPAs, your certified for financial planners, your EAs, enrolled agents. Okay, they're going to be able to answer to virtually any financial matter that individuals have. And then they also are going to lead individuals and guide and consult them to make sure that they're getting their instant pay raise correctly. Why do we say correctly? Because, guys, many individuals have heard about an instant pay raise. They call it different things. They try to get the monies back. But they're trying to change the W-4s and get the money back on their paycheck themselves. They need to use experts, and our Money Max advisors do it for them. Then they're also going to make sure that you're compliant because we have an automatic mileage and expense tracker. They're going to change that W-4. They're going to adjust it for you. You're able to take that W-4 to the HR department, and on the next paycheck, increase the take-home pay. Then they're going to look at your last 3 years of taxes and do a review. Why do they do that? Because we understand that if you review your last 3 years of tax returns, and if there's a mistake or something that's in there, you can basically amend your tax return for the last 3 years and get a refund. We have individuals, okay, in our company that Money Max have reviewed, and they're getting $4,000+ back just by the review. You might not get $4,000, but let's say you get $1,000 or $2,000. Or whatever it is, or just to make sure that it was done correctly so you don't have to worry about the Internal Revenue Service auditing you and you losing money because of penalties and interest. Guys, all you have to do is schedule a Money Max consultation, and those experts would do everything else. Another one of those core services, guys, is Credit Max. Now, Credit Max is our credit restoration strategy. This is done by a 27-year-old company, not somebody that just started doing credit or, did a couple of people out there did it themselves. No, this is a 27-year-old company that had over 13 different franchises. Each franchise is paid in between $50,000 to $100,000 per franchise just to be a part of them. They have already helped over 100,000 individuals already. The average credit score increase of helping those individuals are in between 50 to 150 points in as little as 4 to 6 months. Now, what the high credit scores do for us? It helps us to do what? Lower the interest rates, right? Lower the down payments, lower the insurance premiums. Just a couple of weeks ago, I had actually one of my people actually gave me a phone call and said, Terry, she's been in mortgages for a while, but she still utilized our service because it's an expert. And then she called me back and said, guess what? After my scores went up, I was able to change my insurance, and I saved $100 per month just in insurance premium. What changed? Just the credit score. But then there's more. You have credit rebuilding, where we have rent reporting, installment, and revolving accounts, We have identity theft corrections. Key thing, our experts do all of the work. Even though I said the average is 50 to 150 points or more, we want you to understand, the higher the score, the better. Let's give you an example of just 29 points increase. See, some of you may have a decent credit score, but it might not be the best. See, here at MWR Financial, we want you to get the best credit score that you possibly can, because a 29 points difference is absolutely huge, and people get that just with the rent program. You see, with 29 points increase in this example, if you had a $15,000 loan for your auto, that's $2,000 in savings. How about $12,000 in credit card debt? That's another $2,000 in savings. But the big one is a 30-year mortgage of $300,000 mortgage is $40,000 in savings. Same house, same terms. The only thing that changed was just 29 points. That's why we're telling people, hey, 29 points is a big deal. But what would 50 to 150 do? That's our credit restoration strategy that's done by our 27-year-old company, guys. But then another core service is Equity Max. Equity Max is our debt elimination strategy. It's going to eliminate interest by getting out of debt faster. And I like the faster part because there have been people that I know in our church that have been trying to get out of debt, ever since I've known them in the church. We have meetings every year and seminars every year, this program and that program. So what's the difference, Terrence? Well, the difference is the accountability of it. You see, you'll be able to get out of debt faster, including your mortgage. You're able to keep your same job, keep your same income, keep your same budget, but you're going to be able to pay off all of your debts in record time. You see, the accountability part of it is just not setting it up one time. But our members receive a monthly statement that tells them exactly what to do. You see, it's going to tell them what to pay and how much to pay every single month until they're out of debt. That's the big key. Now, guys, so far, I've told you a lot of different things of the 3 core services helping people save money. But the other key is, where do we put it all? You see, here's where our Wealth Max strategy come in, okay? This is about generational wealth, guys. Our money should be making more money. That's the bottom line. Our money should be making more money. Where here you're going to get unlimited consultation with real wealth experts. Okay, this is head up by Jordan Goodman. You can actually Google Jordan. Jordan wrote over 14 best-selling books. You will see him on Fox News, on CNN. He's been on The View 4 times. He's one of those financial specialists that specialists call to see what's going on. He heads up this program actually for us. But you're going to be able to get professional analysis to develop the best wealth plan for you and your family. You see, everybody's plan can be different. Why? Some people have kids. Some people don't have kids. Some people are single. Some people are married. Okay, some people are older. Some people are younger. Your strategy needs to be designed for you, not a cookie cutter that somebody just gives you. No, it needs to be designed. That's why you have to have one-on-one consultation with experts. But one of the things that they're going to really show you, why? Because we want to make sure, they're going to show you this. We want to make sure that you are to have the best way to save, the best way to grow, and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss. Introducing our private reserve account. This is self-banking. Guys, your money should be making money just like the bank. You're supposed to be the lender, not the borrower. That means you can make money just like the bank's making money. This is a strategy that everyone loves in our company. But more than that, suppose you want to get into real estate investing, some type of real estate investing, where we have land banking, where you're going to be able to buy land for 20 to 40% below market value. You're going to be able to use the same strategies that's used by the wealthy. These are the same ones that the wealthy use, but you have access to them. Okay? So that's all about Financial Edge membership. This is everything that you need to succeed. Money Max, Credit Max, Equity Max, Wealth Max, right? Experts use it. All our experts do all the work. But this doesn't cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to get. That's why other people don't use experts. We have wrapped this thing up into one membership for only $79.97 a month. Absolutely huge. $79.97 a month. And guess what? Your spouse is included. And this is no startup fees, no contract, and your spouse is included in this. So let's say you got husband and wife that they want to realize the dream of a home. And they want to get some financial things together. They get the taxes done. They're together, but they come into that marriage. One person having tax issues, one person no. Guess what? They're able to utilize Money Max to review those last 3 years of tax returns. They want to get the house, increase this credit score. Guess what? Both of them can use this membership with the same membership. They don't have to get two memberships. No, the spouse is included. So this is really helping people where they are and a price that they can afford. All of this turns into a business opportunity. Why? Because we know individuals that need some of what I've just said already. And we get paid daily. And when I say daily, I mean daily. We got paid today, and it's Sunday. We got paid on holidays, every single day. We get paid daily to share our instant pay raise strategy, share our Financial Edge membership, and to share our opportunity with others. We believe if we do a good job, that individuals would actually share it because they want to share it. You see, we have to get people to the right side of this quadrant. You see, 95% of the individuals are where? On the left side. They're either employee or they're self-employed. Where our membership structure here is everything somebody needs to go through this cash flow quadrant. See, many individuals start off as an employee. Before I was a business owner, I was an employee first. But employee, self-employed, you're trading your time for money. Well, our instant pay raise help individuals there while they are employed. No more living paycheck to paycheck. Let's free that individual up, helping them where they are. Then we're going to educate them and say, hey, let's move you to self-employed. That's taking advantage of the step 2 of the instant pay raise, using the tax strategies on your behalf, saving you more money. And then along with the full Financial Edge membership with the consultations and advice and saving more money on your credit and the interest, they're able to save more money to put into Wealth Max, which is the investor. Now your money is making more money. Now they have a taste of the right side of the quadrant. But we want them to have a big taste as well. You see, by referring to opportunity, they can be what we call big business, right? Become a business owner. That means we have people working together like you and I and Gerald and Paul and all of us help working together to make people more money. And we get to enjoy the rewards. We have guaranteed income, immediate, leverage, residual, passive, and now guys, we know you know individuals. How many, let's take one, how many individuals, the W-2 employees that you know that would like an instant pay raise? You can go to a W employee right now and stuff and say, would you like an instant pay raise? If somebody knows if you're working, to have a W-2 employee that's working, and you tell them you got a raise, they want to know how. You know, my 18-year-old son is in that actual business with it. He's worked at McDonald's. I told him clearly, go into the grill area and just yell out, I just got an instant pay raise, and watch how many people that work with you is going to respond. Okay, so over 150 million Americans need our help. They may be government employees where the government told them that they're not even getting a raise this year. Family and friends, co-workers, church members, business professors, classmates. All we do is refer them, and we get not just income, guaranteed income. And we're going to go over there as well. Let's go around compensation so you understand that as we refer individuals to instant pay raise strategy with the Financial Edge membership and the opportunity, how much that you can earn with our company. And remember, we pay daily. Let's say somebody just wants the membership. They just want to just get the membership itself for whatever reason. They want to pay $79.97. They're getting the membership. You just earn 100% customer bonus. Now, that's paid out $40 on your first payment and then $40 on the second billing. But here's the cool thing that I like about this. We have a program called Refer 3. Your customers are able to refer 3 customers and get their membership free. Because we understand if the customers are receiving great benefits from the membership, they're going to refer people. So they're going to refer people, and then we gave them an incentive to refer 3 to get their membership for free. And guess what? You get paid the $80 off of each one of them. They refer 3, you got 80, 80, 80. But it doesn't stop there. Because you, also as a consultant, would be able to refer 3 customers yourself and get your membership free as well. Your membership is the $79.97. You want to get the membership. It's covered for you. Absolutely huge just by referring that. Now, the next thing we refer what? Is the opportunity. We refer the opportunity. Why? Because we know other individuals that would love to have guaranteed income, and they know people that we do not know that would like to have an instant pay raise. So as those individuals come along, you get paid. Let's go over. The first thing we're going to talk about is the momentum bonus, because we want people to get paid and get paid now. Okay, get paid quick, some decent income. So we got another bonus here, momentum bonus. You refer 3 individuals, okay, in your first 30 days, and that's a bonus of $150. $150, okay? This is just one of the ways. We got 10 different ways we get paid, guys, okay? This is one of the ways. But then those 3 individuals, we're going to help those 3 individuals to do the same thing. They refer 3 individuals in the same, 60 days now, right, for the 60 days for you. You can earn $150, $150, $150. That's $450 that you can earn. Now, this, again, is momentum bonus. Then, in the first 90 days, if they refer 3, you got $900. That's $1,500. This is starting people off with a 90-day blitz immediately starting off. Immediately starting off with a 90-day blitz and getting a bonus of $1,500 there. Let's go into the other ways we get paid, guys. Okay? Every time somebody decide to participate in an opportunity, an expansion bonus is paid out. $100 is actually paid out totally, and you make $25 for everybody that you directly refer. That's $25 for everybody that you directly refer. And then depending on your positions, okay, that's what a momentum bonus is all about, you can make overrides. Your overrides are in between $10 to $75. But everybody you do all the way down to a limited level. I love this expansion bonus because one of my mentors made over $12 million on this type of compensation plan only. Just this type of compensation plan only, but it was only a $15 code. I'm talking about up to a $75 code with this. Absolutely huge. And these were just as individuals come into the business. But we have something else. Remember that when customers come in and we get paid the $40 total of $80? Well, we also get customer residuals within our code, where we get to get paid up to $8, not just one time in the code now, up to $8 per month for our customers that's in our code. Huge income there alone. But then there's more, because as you refer individuals and they start making the customer residuals and they start making the other different bonuses, guess what? You're going to have an unlimited 25% check match. This is on all the earnings of your personal enrolled financial consultant. They make 100, you make 25. They make 400, you make 100. And remember, we get paid daily. But then we have rewards. Okay, we have rewards. We have a card reward program that you can start off making Tier 1 at $500 a month. Tier 2 is $1,250 a month. And then Tier 3 is $3,000 a month. Why? Because that includes their house bonus. And our card reward program started out with as few as 34 people on your team. 34 on your team. Absolutely huge. But after all of this is good, guys, this is great income, and we love this income. Okay? But as we said before, we are the home of the guaranteed income. Why? Because we know that bad things do happen to good people. You know, sometimes people's incomes dwindle and go down because just life just happened to individuals. It just happened. So we focus on guaranteed income. So while you're making this money and getting this money, we want a floor for you. We want to have at minimum, here's what you're going to make at minimum. So the company topped everything off with a guaranteed income. And all you have to do is qualify for it. So we just help people to qualify. Let's go over that. All right? We started, here's our daily guarantee, because we have 2 guarantees. We have a daily guarantee and we have a monthly guarantee. You start off just by qualifying. Now, how you qualify, you have one outside customer. That's somebody that said, hey, I just want the Financial Edge membership for whatever reason. And then you have 3 individuals say, I want to partner with you guys and participate in the opportunity. Okay? They may be your co-workers or your the sorority sisters and friends, whatever it is. But once you have 3 individuals that want to partner up, 1 outside customer, then the company is going to actually say, each one of those getting 3 points, and 3 points comes and say, hey, you got a $5 daily guarantee or $150 every single month. Every single month. Now, sometimes when I talk to individuals, they laugh at $150. Guys, don't laugh at $150 a month. Why? Because if you took $3,000 and put it into your bank account in January, how much is that going to be in December? $3,000, a couple of dollars. Even if it's a 10% increase, where people say, "Oh, that's great, 10%, interest rate increase." Where you put $3,000 in there, 10% is going to give you what, $3,300. So when you talk about $150 per month in passive income that's guaranteed for you, that's absolutely huge. But guess what? It doesn't stop there, because once you qualify, we always reach back and help other people to qualify. So what would happen if you just help 3 people get an instant pay raise and guaranteed income and taught them to do the same? See, we get paid in between $5 a day to $1,000 a day in guaranteed income. Now, we talked about the three. You refer to three, $5 a day, $150. Well, you're making a profit. That's good. That's great. But how about if they qualify for guaranteed income? Now you have 12 people on your team, and you qualify for $20 a day, $600 a month. I want you to understand what I just said. You qualify for yourself with 1 outside customers and 3 people that want to participate with opportunity. They do the same thing, and when you have 12 people on your team, that's $20 a day or $600 a month in guaranteed income. That's not an increase anymore, guys. That's a promotion for people, $7,200 a year. But it continues to go on. Let me show you 5 levels. If we just help people qualify, help people qualify, help people qualify. That's all we do, helping people to qualify to get their floor done. And in doing that, a total of 7 levels, okay, there's over 3,279 individuals on your team. You still just did 1 outside customer and 3 personal people yourself. That's all. But we help everybody to qualify. And that's, when you look at it, qualifies you for our $1,000 per day guarantee or $30,000 a month. $30,000 a month, just by helping people to qualify for daily guarantee. See, we got to help people qualify for guaranteed income because our guaranteed retirement that used to be called pensions have gone away. So we have to make our own pension. This is our guaranteed income to do so. And this is daily guaranteed, but we have monthly also as well. Here's our monthly guaranteed income is our Presidential Club residual bonus. You see, with as few as 75 people on your team, you can start making a monthly guaranteed presidential bonus of $500 a month on top of everything I said. And it goes all the way up to $100,000 a month. You heard me right, $100,000 a month as your team continues to grow. But then there's more, because there's a matching bonus for our monthly guarantee. And that matching bonus goes up to 50%. This is our Presidential Club 50% matching bonus. So somebody makes a $5,000 monthly bonus, you just made $2,500. And you can go as many people that you want, and so forth and so forth. Now, I know that's a lot, but we also put people on a 6-figure guaranteed income strategy. Why? Because our pensions, remember, are what? They are gone. So we want to do that. And we use that with our presidential bonus, strategy, and our guaranteed actual bonus strategy as well, okay? So you start off like this, okay? The power of you. You have 12 individuals. You have 12 individuals. You have 12 individuals directly yourself. You're already at $20 a day, $600 a month. That's when you say, hey, I want to go out and I'm going to go get my 6 figures, okay? Okay, go ahead. 12. And then now, if those 12, they're not just as good as you, but let's say those 12 end up doing 5 each. Okay, they don't do 12 each. They do 5. Y'all know everybody's not going to do 12. Let's say 12. They do 5. And then those 5 do 3. Those 3 do 2. Your team then is over 612 QFCs. Look at that number, 612. Again, all you got to do is have 3 and 1 outside customer yourself. Now, your team is 612, but you went up to 12, 5, 3, and 2. Now, when you do this, look at the chart. You already qualify for $200 a day, $600 a month. Excuse me, $6,000 a month. $200 a day, $6,000 a month in the daily guarantee. But now you also are up to $2,500 a month in our monthly bonus. That's a total of $8,500 a month or $102,000 a year. But I want you to remember that's only 2 of our 10 different streams of income. Guys, we believe that we have the perfect business for you, all individuals. We really do. People get an instant pay raise. They get to refer others to MWR Financial. Our experts do all the work, but you enjoy the rewards. Let's show you how easy it is to actually get started. Remember, our business opportunity is just, MWR Financial is just $99 one time and then $40 a month. $99 one time, $40 a month, okay? And the $40 a month and having that business get you the ability to start getting paid and refer others, okay? The business, that $40 also give you your back office, give you the capture pages that we have, give you all the training, the support like you get in night, from corporate, all of those, okay, is what you get to help you. Everything you need to succeed. Then if you go ahead and get your Financial Edge membership, okay, that's your membership, that's $79.97, okay. For that, you're going to get the Money Max, the Tax Bot, the Record Keeping System there, Credit Max, Equity Max, and Wealth Max. You're going to get all of that right there, okay, for it as well. That's your $79.97 a month. Remember, your spouse is included in that, as well, so you're going to get that as well. That basically, guys, get us to a total of $228.97 to start. And then it's $119.97 a month, okay? That can be covered by instant pay raise or $120 or more, right? It can be covered by that. Absolutely huge. Now, I want you to understand what just happened, though. Just by getting a business with MWR Financial, by getting a business, if we look at just the instant pay raise and the cost of business, just the instant pay rate cost of business, what just happened is you just received immediate cash flow. Because we talk about an instant pay raise of $300 to $600 per month. $300 to $600 per month. And the total cost of the business is $120 per month. And guys, it can not even be $120 a month. Why? Because remember, if you refer 3 people, your $79.97 is taken care of too. But the $300 covers the cost of the business. Let our tax dollars cover our cost of our business. But MWR Financial goes a little bit further. We give guaranteed the success. You see, if you follow our plan of action and our strategies and experts are not able to save or make you more money within your first 30 days, MWR Financial will give you a full refund. This is no risk. Just like our PRA accounts, no risk. This is no risk. Let's finish this up, guys. Are you tired of the 40-40 plan? That's working 40 hours a week for 40 years for somebody else's dreams. Now, if you want to work for the rest of your life, that's your business. However, if you are willing to work smart for the next 1 to 5 years, we're not talking about next month, next this, no. Next 1 to 5 years to build a strong guaranteed income for you and your family, guys, that's our business. We are MWR Financial. That's what we do. And we are saying the time is indeed now for you to take control of your financial future. And each and every one of you can do that today.